How to pay bills in NetSuite 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about NetSuite, an amazing business management software, and how you are going to go ahead and pay all of your bills in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, NetSuite is a pay platform where you can process all of your business communications and payments. So, if you want to go ahead and pay your bills, NetSuite has a payment processing holder for that, where you can centralize, secure, and simplify your payment acceptance process. Now, what is NetSuite payment processing? It's a processing solution where you can integrate payment processing services with NetSuite. It accepts credit card payments online, over the phone, POS, or through any other digital payment method with PCI compliant data security. So it will accelerate all of your accounts receivables. It will make your payments recurring and make them simple. Flexible online and in store payment options are also available, and a whole lot more. Now, what we're here for is this. Obviously, if you want to go ahead and add on bills, they are going to be recurring payments. So for subscriptions, memberships, and recurring billing needs, mitigate declines by passing the card on file and recurring indicator flag credit card issuers. So what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to come over to your NetSuite Pay. Now, in your NetSuite Pay, it's going to give you a merchant account application like this, where you're going to enter all of the information for your merchant that is due for your payment. So, right here, add what type of merchant you're paying to. Then you're going to add in the amount, make sure that the receipt and INR number for the bill matches up. And once you do that, you're simply going to go ahead, continue with paying your bill. And that is basically how you're going to be paying bills in NetSuite. So go ahead and try the NetSuite payment processing for yourself. And that is pretty much about it. So drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.